Okay, these are the Lucky 7 widow pups. They are 4 weeks old. You can see we've increased the amount of kibble in their bush. Really not worried about blending it up or anything now. Just trying to let them acclimate to some harder, larger pieces of kibble. Their teeth have started coming in, so they should be able to start managing some of this. And then you see we've got our speaker here. We're going to slowly introduce into some sounds to desensitize them to sounds like firecrackers and door slams and dogs barking, which really ain't a problem with the other kennels over here, but just trying to make sure that they get the best jump start that they can get. And we'll gradually increase the volume as they get a little bit older. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can hear it well or how well you can hear it, but firecrackers going off. They're not interested in that at all. They're just paying attention to the mush. So we're trying to get to where they associate, loud noises or things that would normally bother dogs to good things like getting fed. So this is something we'll continue to do, as long as we have this pups here. But these are Lucky 7 widow, 4 weeks old. There are 2 males and 4 females. So at the moment, we've got 2 males and 2 females available. You can see they're not at all bothered by that noise, and it's pretty loud. Not fazing them at all.